Welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to verify and interpret of truth table for AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, NAND gate and XOR, XNOR gates, and we will use virtual lab. So if you are new to my channel, then like and then subscribe my channel and just press on bell icon. So I will go the Google Chrome, then simply search virtual lab. After searching virtual lab, you can see the official website. Just click on electronics and communication. After clicking on it, then you can see the digital electronics labs new. Okay, just click on it, and after that you can see this electronics and communication engineering, digital electronics IIR. So just click on list of experiment. After that this page will open, and after that just click on verification and interpretation of truth table and or not NAND nor XOR and XNOR gates. So just click on it. After that you can see theory and pretest. You can see how to perform procedure also, and I want to click this simulation. I will show you the all this AND gate operation. So this is the circuit. You can see here introduction, and this is the NAND gate. Okay, you know the NAND gate is if both input is 0, then output will be 0, and if both input 1, then it will be 1. If one is high and one is low, then it will be low. So just I want to connect this battery first. If you not connect this battery, here you can see the message that please connect battery first. Here you can see this pop-up. Just switch on. After when see here the power is going, and then you can see here 0 0, it will no glow. If we want 0 1, it means 0 1, you know, for AND gate it will 0, and both whenever both will be 1 1, then it will glow. See, it will glow. Okay, in this way you can perform this AND gate by virtual lab. I want to go simulator 2. You can perform also truth table here. Okay, I want to at first give 0 input 0, and output what happened? Output will be 0. Then check. You can see here correct. So after that, just remember the truth table. When A is 0 and B is 1, then output will be 0, because it is AND gate. You can see here 0. If it is 1 and then it is 0, B 0, then what happen? It will 0. Check. When both will be 1, then it will be 1. See, check. You can print it, or you can reset it. It will clear all these things. You can perform anytime. See, truth table of AND gate. I have shown you earlier. When A0 B0, it will 0. See, it is correct. A0 B0, it will 0. It says correct. When A0 B1, it will correct, and then output is 0. When one is A is 1 and B is 0, then output 0. For this you can this table, you by a truth table you can perform and always check it is. So in this way you can perform all this experiment. And now I will show you the OR gate operation. Just click on OR gate. At first, if you don't know anything, just click on theory and you will see the truth table. Okay, and also you can see the circuit. For truth table, when both will be 0, then it will be 0. Whenever both will be 1 or otherwise any of them 1, it will be 1. Okay, I want to show you the OR gate circuit. So I want to perform via virtual lab. Just click on it, and then after connected, when what I have said earlier, whenever either of one is 1, it will be 1. See, when it will 1, then it will glow. When both will be 1, it will be 1. Okay, you can see also put at first 0, then B0. See here 0 and B0. For 0 0, for 0 0, then output will be 0. Okay, I want to show you. See, this is correct. and for both will be 1, whenever both will be 1 it will be 1. Or you can say I just show first and last this operation. You can perform all the on yourself. Unless you can you don't do in your hand, you can't understand what is happening. So whenever it will be A will be 1 and B will be 1, then output will be 1. Okay, see, it is correct. Now for NOT gate, okay, for NOT gate what happen, just connect the battery first, and then for NOT gate I want to show you. NOT gate circuit is when A0, it NOT gate only one input is required. When it is 0, then it will be output 1, because it is NOT gate, it's reverse the output. When component, it means whenever A is 1, then B is 0, output will be 0, and when A will be 1, then when A is 0, then output will be 1, and whenever A is 1, then output will be 0. So suppose if you connect, I just click on the circuit but it switch off. I want to switch on this circuit. See, this bulb will glow because it is 0, then output 1, and whenever it is 1, then output 0. Also you can see here simulator, whenever 0, then it output will be 1. See, it is correct. Okay, see, sorry, I have click here, it is 0. Okay, just check you. And now I want to show you the NAND gate. And for NAND gate what happen, when both, you only have to remember this. Just click on this theory what I have said earlier. Just click on theory and read all these things. You can understand what you have to do and remember this truth table. For NAND gate what happen, for NAND gate just connect battery first. When switch 1, when both will be 0, and it will be 1, and whenever both 1 will be 1 and switch 2 is on and switch 3 is off, it also will glow. If you just only B switch on and A switch off, then it will glow, but whenever both will be glow, it will off. As well as the same thing you perform, just see this diagram and just perform this. For A for here you can put 0 and B will be 0 and output will be 1. I want to show you. So here 0 and B will be 0, then what happen, just check on it, it will be 1. See, it is correct. And for NOR gate what happen, NOR gate just same way, the connect the battery, just see the NOR gate truth table and just see the circuit diagram, you can perform easily. So just connect the battery and then switch on, then see the glow, and it will be, if any one both switch 1, it will be off, means output will be 0, and both will be 1, then it will off. Because see in this diagram, just follow this diagram, you can understand everything. Just you have to remember, nothing else here. Also simulation, so I have said earlier, for every experiment just 1. See, whenever both 1, then it will be 0. Check. See, it is correct. Just remember this truth table, it will help you anytime. And for XNOR gate, it also you can see here XNOR gate. For XOR gate, just connect power on. Here you have to know battery, just power on, then check one by one, it will glow. See this truth table, when both is 1, when some of them is 1, then output will be 1. See, just I have connected one battery, sorry, I have connected one switch, means I have on one switch and this it is glow. If whenever I will off both, I will give switch on this circuit, then it will be off. Okay, that's the same way what I have said earlier. This is same way, just put 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 and you can see this output. Just remember this truth table, you can do everything. And for XNOR gate, it's the same way, just click on it and connect the power supply and then switch on and switch off. You can see all this perform. Okay, this is for XNOR. You can just remember and you can perform easily every XNOR operation. So if you like this video, just give a thumbs up and if you're new to my channel, then subscribe. Don't forget to press bell icon. See you in next video.